Yeah, if you're wondering why Mark is struggling a little bit more there, I think the main issue is that there are no crawler gears for the Jeep unless you replace the whole transfer case. And with the petrol engine, it's just very difficult to have good throttle control without crawler gears.
Gotta move it, huh? Beautiful. Again? Guys, take any pictures, yes?
While Pavlo has his diffs re-geared, he still has the standard ratio in the transfer case. And with 35s, again, it's very difficult to get a consistent slow crawl speed. But I think he actually ordered crawler gears for the transfer case now. Drive it though, drive it. Oh, watch it to the left. See whether you get up there. Once you have the front up, straighten up a bit. Oh. There's a tree here next to your door, huh? Oh, stop.
Left hand down and come back.
Hard left down. Go! Stop! Okay guys, if we break this down and look at Pavlo's and my line side by side, we see that Pavlo's driver's wheel is further away from the rock wall, driving towards the passenger side. This in return drops his driver's rear wheel into the V and lifts the passenger front up, which results in the loss of traction and the interesting side angle. It's a good example what a difference a small variation in line can make.
Come back. That'll do ya.
Oh, almost. Clear.
Not having crawler gears in his manual patrol certainly doesn't help here.
Keep coming back.
You see John hung up on his diff here, but because it's such a slow and controlled crawl, he can just gently ease the diff over it.
Beautiful.
Didn't even get time to get
This is a perfect example what a difference tire pressure makes. On our way to Balbone Gap we went via tar road, so we all aired up a little bit, and I went to around 18-19 psi. After giving it a couple of tries, I reversed back, aired down to 8 psi and gave the same line another go. So a couple of psi, as you can see, can make quite a difference.
Mark shows us now how not to fall.
These are my good shoes.
Okay. You're on camera, so
Hi everybody.
you got to see whether you have the approach angle. Ease it. Easy.
You probably, when you get up, keep driving towards that tree. Don't steer that way.
Yeah.
See how you've got to steer towards me. Otherwise you're going to walk. Yeah, that's it. That's it. And just keep driving up that hill like that. Go. Almost. Just go back to meter. Stop. Just touching.
I'll give it one more go, but
Yeah, just don't drive that way. Drive up to there until you.
feel the back go up and climb up.
And if it doesn't go right, just jump down.
Beautiful.
The view up from the Gap is absolutely magnificent and was a great spot to have lunch.